Top 10 most followed TikTokers in Kenya. At number 10, we have Lupita Nyong'o with 3.4 million followers. At number 9, we have Azia Nasenya with also 3.4 million followers, so it's a tie. At number 8, we have Michael Bundi with 3.5 million followers. At number 7, we have Kolo Blue with 3.6 million followers. At number 6, we have Njoki Morira with 3.7 million followers. At number 5, we have Presenter Kai with 3.7 million followers. So it's also a tie between Presenter Kai and Njoki, sharing 3.7 million followers. So we go to number 4. It is Elvis Mushila with 4.9 million followers. Damn. So we go to number 3. It is Moya David with 4.9 million followers. So it's a tie between David and Elvis. Remember, David Moya was number 1 back then, but now he is standing at number 3, which is also a tie. So at number 2, it is Junior Comedian with 5.3, and at number 1, it is Charlie Vian with 5.7 million followers. So this is a list of most followed TikTokers in Kenya in 2026.